Thank you for purchasing your Cuisinart 360 Griddle Cooking Center. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your griddle. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, wrench, and pliers. It should take approximately 30 minutes to assemble your griddle. These are all the parts you should have inside your box. Also included is the hardware pack you will need for assembly. Assemble the right front leg and left front leg with 3 front panels using the M6 screws. Install the side panels on back legs using M6 screws. Assemble the base plate onto the left back leg and right back leg to the long side of the base plate using M6 screws. Lay down the front leg subassembly, align the side panels to the front legs, and assemble using M6 screws. Put the griddle's body on the stand and align it with the screw holes on each leg. Secure each leg with M6 screws and washers. A good tip is to tighten the 4 inner screws 3/4 of the way before installing your 4 outer screws. This will help to align the second screw on each leg. Once the outer screws have been tightened, go back and secure the 4 inner screws. Place the brackets that are under the side table in between 2 brackets on the griddle using M6 shoulder screws, washers, and nuts. Hook the griddle plate support brackets on the rim of the firebox and align with the screw holes. Secure them using M5 screws and washers. Place the griddle plate on top of the griddle body by aligning the 3 posts under the griddle plate with griddle plate support brackets. If the griddle plate doesn't set directly into the provided griddle plate support brackets, the griddle plate will appear tilted. Insert knobs into the control panel and push in firmly. Insert the drip cup. Secure the gas hose ring in the right front leg using the M6 screw. Install paper towel holder using the nut. Install the gas cylinder holder. You are now ready to insert your tank into the grill base. Bring the gas cylinder hook down to secure. Secure the match holder chain on the left back leg using screw. Once you remove the retail product stickers, you're ready to begin seasoning your griddle for the first time.